This is a drilling whistle that I made. It's made out of a lot of crap, stuff that was laying around, garbage from work. So I only bought the valve and the spring. So you can pull the handle to make nice whistling sounds like that. No, it's just some boiler pipe, exhaust pipe from the from furnaces, boilers. There's a piece of aluminum in there. Simple. Not the most nice job, but it does the job. So there, can balance out the left and the right one. Two-tone. And this is just a old pipe. Put a lid on it. Use some tape, but there are actually some screws in there, so it doesn't fly off. Just I wanted to make it just cheap and good, and that it would make a good sound. So let's hook it up.